Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here in this device. So let me try to tap on this now to see how it works with the cooperation with the camera. As you can see now, by using this I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to more advanced options. So let me pick this button in the right corner now, so we get access to 4 other buttons. And now let's focus on this one from the right. When we tap on this, we can open the advanced camera settings. As you can see, the volume button option is here at the first place. So when we pick this, we can change it from volume to shutter, which is now, to zoom. For now, let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera. Now let me try to tap on these buttons once again. And as you can see now, I can get closer to my subject, so I can use zoom and also go back by using the second button here. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and give the thumbs up.